So now I've showed you the proper way to do it per the SOP, standard operating procedure, the way we're supposed to do it every time. Now I'm going to show you the way we really do it. Now you'll find working here, the safety is number one. Unless, of course, we're behind schedule. Then that's a little different. Now here's some information for you. On Monday mornings, don't ever go to the bathroom behind Ralph. That's a weekend of chicken wings, Mexican food, and cheap bourbon you don't want to experience. Last guy followed him in there left early sick, and he ain't been back yet. Now when you talk to Ray, make sure you look at him in his left eye. Now, that right eye is going to be swimming around everywhere. You get you all jacked up. Just look at him in his right eye. I mean, that guy could use some prescription side shields is what I'm saying. And you'll meet Tony over here. Now he's got a bad hairpiece. And well, we used to joke with him about it, but just don't joke with him about it. Just, you know, if the thing falls off, just keep on talking, just like nothing happened. Trust me, we're way better off. Now, if you come in here every day and you work hard and do all you can, well, all that's going to do is get you more work. Just remember, you ain't going to outrun the bear, you just got to outrun your buddy. So as long as you do more work than Rob, which ain't hard to do, you'll be okay. And when you're out about just messing around, killing time, make sure you carry yourself in an empty bucket. And then if somebody sees you, when the foreman come along, you just walk with a sense of purpose. You'll be all right. You just gotta look busy, you gotta look the part. And if you think you got you a good idea, you want to share it with the boss, that's fine. Just make sure you do it with witnesses, or it'll wind up being his good idea. Just be prepared. When you return from a week of vacation, you're probably gonna get random drug tested. Last year we broke an all-time profit record. Made the company millions on millions, and we got a pizza party. Yep, we got a pizza party. Everybody had 2 slices. It was real nice. Be careful who you talk to around here. We have telephones and teleprompters, and we got a tell Timmy. You tell Timmy, you might as well be using a megaphone and tell everybody at the plant. That's how that works. Now that's Stacy over there. Now after about 7 years of hard work, she's able to sleep her way up to being senior manager. Watch out for Jimmy. He's a close talker. And let's just say he could eat a couple dog turds and freshen up that breath a little bit. You know what I mean? Be prepared for one of the engineers to come along and improve your job. They won't talk to you about it. They won't want any input from you, even though you do that job every day. But they're going to improve it for you. They've improved my job to the point where it's miserable now. What I'm going to have you do now is go over to that second warehouse and ask Joe, a fella there named Joe, you tell him you're going to need a drum of steam. You're going to have to take it down to the basement. Well, I'll be down there waiting on you.